Prepositions of time and place: in, on, and at. For describing time and place, the prepositions in, on, and at go from general to specific. We use preposition in to refer to things in general, such as centuries, in the 1900s, in the 1800s, decades, in the 90s, in the 80s, years, in 1982, in 2023, in 2023, months, in January, in December, weeks, in 1 week, in 2 weeks, seasons, in a spring, in winter, periods of time, in the past, in the future, parts of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, countries, in Germany, in France, cities, in Berlin, in Paris, neighborhoods, in Manhattan, enclosed space, in an apartment, in a car. We use preposition on to refer to things that are more specific, such as time, on the weekend, on weekdays, day, on Monday, on Friday, dates, on January 1st, on September 2nd, on December 3rd, specific days, on my birthday, day plus part of the day, on Monday morning, on Friday evening, holidays with day, on Christmas Day, on Thanksgiving Day, streets, on Wall Street, on Washington Street, avenues, on Park Avenue, on Fifth Avenue, surfaces, on the surface of the moon, on the floor, means of transport, on the train, on the bus, on the plane, communications, on TV, on the radio, on the phone. We use preposition at to refer to things that are very specific, such as hours, at 7 a.m., at 11 p.m., parts of the day, at noon, at night, at midnight, time, at the moment, at this time, holidays without day, at Christmas, at Easter, addresses, at 123 Oak Street, specific locations, at the gas station, At the office.